Hi guys. So I'm getting a new phone soon and it will kind of look like this. And I have decided to only have one channel now. I hope you all understand. The new channel is called Gamer_Riley Let's Play, and it's spelled the same way too. The link to the new channel will be in the description below. I'm so excited! I'll be able to make videos with any game of my choice. So go give me some ideas on the new channel, on what games to play. See you all on my new channel. Again, link is in the description below. All you have to do is hit the little arrow below the video right now. And you have the description and the link. Goodbye!